Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel. Our today's topic is the T account ledger. For every single account, business needs to open a ledger, and at a certain period, with all those ledgers balance, business needs to prepare a trial balance. And without trial balance, there is no way to prepare income statement and the balance sheet. So ledgers are very important in accounting. Today I'll show you how to prepare a T-shaped ledger account. So let's get started. Okay, look at here. Already I have drawn all the ledgers account formats here, and there are 5 transactions given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So look at first one. Purchase goods $3,000 on credit. Sold goods in cash $2,000. Received $5,000 from bank. Paid salary $1,500 by check. Bought goods in cash $1,000. Okay. So these are the transactions will be given in the question paper, and from those transactions, first of all, you need to prepare a double entry. Okay, you need to make double entry. Already you know how to prepare double entry. If you do not know how to prepare double entry, how to understand that whether this account will be debited or credited, so I have a video, so link is here, you can watch it. So look at here. There are 10 accounts from these 5 transactions. Every transaction has 2 accounts. Yeah, one is debit account, another one is credit account. Already you know this. Yes. So look at here. From these 10 accounts, we need to extract how many ledgers will be here. For each and every individual account, we need to prepare a ledger. Okay. So look at here. Yes, we have a purchase. So we need to prepare purchase ledger. We need to prepare trade payable ledger. We need to prepare cash ledger and sales ledger. Then cash is already taken here. We don't have to count once again. So yes, bank is here. We need to prepare for bank, and we need to prepare for salary. This bank is taken. Purchase is taken. Cash is here also taken. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. We have to prepare 6 ledgers from those 5 transactions and 10 accounts. Okay, so there is no order, particular order. Whatever you want, you can do first, you can do last. So let us do here first of all cash. Yeah, then we have what we can do here, purchase, we can do here bank. Okay, we can do here trade payables. Okay, what is next? We have here sales ledger. We have here last of all salary. Okay, so we name those ledgers. Fine. Have you noticed this ledger account, this ledger format is divided into 2 sections. Either sections you have columns to record the date, detail, folio and dollar. Same here, date, detail, folio, dollar. Okay, so this side is called debit side. Okay, debit side, DR. So you should write here DR. Already you know debit is abbreviated to DR. Okay, and here this side is called credit side. Okay, so let us start here DR, CR. Students sometimes forget to write here DR and CR, but it is important to write. It's a mistake if you do not write. So try to get rid of this mistake. Okay. Yes, we finished writing here DRC here. Now let us do cash ledger. That means in this cash ledgers, all of your cash transactions will be entered. Okay. So look at the transactions, double entries where you have cash. So first transaction we have no cash. Second transaction May 6, sold goods in cash. Cash to be debited, sales to be credited. Okay, so cash is here debited. Okay, so two sides here, credit side, debit side. So cash is here debit, we will write in the debit side. When cash is credit, we will write in the credit side. Okay, so in this transaction cash is debited. So let us write here first of all the date 2020 May 6. Okay, so we are doing cash ledgers. Inside the cash ledgers we cannot write the word cash. Okay, we need to write the opposite account. Check the transaction once again. What is your opposite transaction? Your opposite account. What is your opposite account? It is sales. Okay, so right here sales. Here you have a folio column. Students do not require to write the folio number. Folio number means reference number. Okay, so reference number is not in your syllabus. You don't have to write reference number. Okay, so but you need to keep this column. Don't think that we don't have anything to write in the folio column, we will not draw this folio column. No, not like this. This is the format. This is the part of the format. So you have to prepare the format perfectly. Okay, so draw this folio column, but you do not need to write anything in the folio column. So we do it here sales. Okay, opposite account, because sales is opposite excuse me, sales is opposite account of cash. Okay, now how much? It is $2,000. Okay, so right here on the dollar column, then check, do you have any more cash or not? Yeah, we have one more cash. We have one more cash on May 6. Cash is here debited. That means again we have to write on the debit side. So what is date? May what? May 10. Okay, so already you know that you cannot write here cash. You have to write the opposite account. What is your opposite account? Your opposite account is bank. Yeah, so you need to write here bank. Okay, so let us write bank. How much your bank? Your value is here $5,000. Okay, so right here $5,000. Very good, very easy. Yeah. Okay, check you have any more cash or not. Yeah, we do this cash, cross them. So do you have any more? Yes, we have one more cash in the last transaction. Bought goods in cards, $1,000. Yeah, it is in the credit side. Yeah, so purchase here debit, cash is here credit. So cash is credit here. That means you need to write in the credit side. Yeah, already I told you, when it is debit you have to write debit side, when it is credit you have to write in the credit side. Okay, go to the credit side. First of all, year 2020 May. What date? May 25. What to write inside? If you say that it is purchase, you are correct. Why purchase? Because you have to write the opposite account. Okay, how much your value? Your value is here $1,000. So right here $1,000. Yeah, you have no more cash, so you are done. It's very easy to prepare T account ledger. Okay, so what is next? It is purchase. Okay, so check the double entries. You have purchase or not? Yeah, first transaction we have here purchase. Here purchase is debited. So come in the debit side. 2020 May. What date? May 1st. Okay, what to write inside the ledger in the detail column? Your detail column is trade payable. Yeah. Why is trade payable? Because you need to write the opposite account. Okay, Trade payable. What is the amount? It is $3,000. So put the value in the dollar column, 3,000. Yeah, finished. Any more purchase you have? Yeah. May 6, no. May 10, no purchase. May 15, no purchase. May 25, yes. May 25, you have purchased once again. So here also purchase debited. So come in the debit side. Right here, May 25. Here opposite account is here, cash. So right here, cash, and what is the value? Your value is here $1,000. So right here, $1,000. One thing you just remember, when you do purchase, just think about purchase. What is purchase? Debit side and credit side. If you think the opposite account, you'll have mistake. Okay. So only the ledger you are doing, think about that one. Okay, so there is no purchase. That means you are done with purchase. Now check what is next. Your next one is bank. Yeah. What is bank transaction? Yeah, bank is here. Bank is here on 10th May. Okay, bank is here, credit side. So write in the credit side, 2020 May 10. Okay, bank. So here, what is your opposite account? Your opposite account is cash. Yeah. So right here, cash. What is the value? Your value is here $5,000. So you write here $5,000. Okay, do you have any more bank? Yes, next transaction is with bank. What is it? May 15. What is your opposite account? Salary. How much value? 1,500. So right here again, credit side. May 15. May 15, salary. How much it is? It is $1,500. Okay, so there is no more bank. Yeah, you are done with it. Bank is over. Now what is next? Trade payable. Check what is trade payable. Yes, trade payable is here on the credit side. When? May 1st. Go to the credit side. 2020. May 1. So what is the opposite account? Opposite account is purchase. So right here, purchase. Very easy. How much? It is $3,000. Yeah. So write $3,000. Okay. Any more trade payables? No. It's over. Finished. Okay. So what is next? Sales. Yes. What is your sale? Yeah. Sales is here on May 6th. On the credit side. So right, 2020, May 6. What is your opposite account? Your opposite account is cash. Okay, so right here, cash. Cash, how much? It is $2,000. Okay. Any more sales you have? No more sales. Just only one transaction with sales. Then what is next one? Salary. What is salary? Salary is here. On May 15 on the debit side. So come here, 2020 May 15. So what to write here? Salary. You cannot write salary. You have to write the opposite account. It is opposite account is bank. Bank. Okay. How much value of your salary? It is $1,500. Okay. Write 1,500. Yes. 1,500. So we entered all these 10 accounts in this among these 6 ledgers. So what to do? What you did? First of all, you have the transactions. From these transactions, you make these double entries. From these double entries, you extract your number of ledgers. Then you have drawn these ledgers. Then you enter these accounts in these ledgers. Okay. So this is very important chapter, very basic and in accounting. Every student should know how to prepare T-shaped ledger. Next time in my next video, I'll show you how to balance T-shaped ledgers. So I have so many videos on different topics in accounting. So you can watch. I'll link to these videos in the description box, so you can watch it. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. You understood how to prepare ledger's books. After that, if you have any question, please don't forget to let me know. Comment below and subscribe my channel for more new videos, and share this lesson with your friends. That's all. Bye and take care. You stay safe. See you soon.